Good day everyone, I am Darminin Iramagar from BS Ed Science 1A. So in this video, I am going to reenact a earthquake drill and let us know what is the important thing to do before, during, and after an earthquake. But before we get started, let's define what is earthquake. Earthquake defines the sudden slipping or movement of a portion of the earth's crust, accompanied and followed by serious vibration.
What to do before an earthquake? Here, I am preparing the following materials. Number 1 is first aid kit. Flashlight. Clothing. Food supplies. And don't forget to shut off the fire, water, electricity in case the line re-damage. And keep a list of emergency numbers. And what to do during an earthquake. Duck, cover, and hold to a durable objects as long as possible. Keep calm and go to the nearest exit. Just duck, cover, and hold to an open area to avoid falling objects. Expect for an aftershocks to stay for a while. Here are the following reminders that you'll